Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with another meal plan for the week of May 28th through June the 3rd. So I hope everyone has had a great week last week or this current week with your plans with your meal plans, and of course sticking to your budget. So this week I am going to go back to tried and true, making my meal plan on a plain piece of Happy Planner paper. So last week I set my budget at $85, and I actually spent $87.47. So I was $2.47 over my budget. All in all, I feel like that's not too bad, but hopefully this week I do a better job and just stick to my actual budget. All right, so these washi tapes that you're seeing are new washi that I found in Michael's this week. And this washi tape, yes, it does say dude and rad and all that wonderful stuff. I actually bought it for my little main man, Marley, when he gets here, because we know that he likes to plan. I am going to be getting him the new Happy Planner Kids. I think I want the one that says rad, but I really wanted to let him pick it out, so he'll be here June the 9th. So we'll see which one he chooses. Okay, and hopefully I get this right this week. We know I'm subject to have issues because I've had issues in the past. I think what I can do is take this one that says selfie and dude and good vibes and just line it on the bottom here. And then I believe I got a skinny washi from Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago that matches this blue and pink here. So instead of making them too thick, that's what I'll do. Let's just cut this here. And let's flip over and let's even these up here. Just this one has to be evened up. So let's get that date on there. I am using my two Papermate flares in pink and blue, and these are the medium, and I think they're 0.07. So we'll get the date, which is going to be 5/28 till 6/3. I don't know why I put 2011 instead of 2018 here, but we have fixed that. All right, awesome. I'm gonna cover this notes up. And we're going to grab our handy dandy numbers, and I want to put in hot pink, what's cooking? Here we go. Here is our block. And that is what's cooking. All right. See it on there. As far as colors this week, I am using Opera Pink, and it is a Versacolor ink. And we're just going to stamp it on up. Hope it looks good. Yes, what's cooking? All right. Then we'll take our alcohol-free baby wipe and clean off our stamp. And we will proceed. All right. So for the days of the week, I think I'm going to be alternating between pink and green. So we are starting with Monday. All right, so I'm gonna set my budget this week at $140. So I'm going to grab the Agenda 52 budget book, and I'm going to just grab this blue $. And we're gonna stick that right here. We're gonna grab our pink Paper Mate Flare, hit it with $140. All right. Oof, I messed that up a little bit. So I'm gonna see what I can do about that, but not worried about it right at this moment. All right, so that's looking good. Now, we know on Fridays that we have takeouts or we eat in. So we're going to, I'm gonna put eat out there. And I think I'm going to use blue. So the blue that I'm using, I'm gonna prime this one because I don't think I've used it before, is Imperial Blue for Friday. And we're just gonna take it and ink up this pad. All right, that's absolutely gorgeous. All right, we know we're gonna have leftovers on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Y'all know I absolutely love this little microwave. Like, I feel like this microwave has single-handedly changed my whole stamping game. And I'm gonna grab that Imperial Blue again and ink this up really nice. And then we're going to have, it's only Tuesday and Saturday. Sorry, Thursday and Saturday we'll have leftovers. So that's one nice impression. I just love this microwave. Like, it's so cute, you can't not like it. Even if you're not a stamper, you probably want this stamp. All right, so for Monday, we are going to do, it is Memorial Day. So I am going to stamp Memorial Day, and I'm also gonna put the date on there. So let's see, Memorial Day. We're gonna put that in blue. All right. I think I'm gonna put it in pink because I feel like we got a lot of blue going on. All right. So we're gonna take that opera pink and we're just gonna stamp it on here, and we will be good to go. We're gonna make sure it's turned the right way, and we're gonna hit it and evenly apply pressure. Memorial Day, I love that writing on it. That script writing is gorgeous. All right, so we have Memorial Day there, and I'm gonna grab my food sticker book, looking for hot dogs and hamburgers, because we are having beef brats and chili. So hopefully I can quickly locate a hot dog. Aha, here we go. Yes. There goes that wonderful hot dog. And we're gonna get some fries and put there. Yes. That's awesome. Okay. And then on here, I want to write brats and fries. All right. We know Tuesday is Taco Tuesday. So for Taco Tuesday, we're having something called Awesome Enchiladas. So let's see. I probably don't have anything that says enchiladas. But I'm going to just put a couple of, and I'm going to write this in blue. Let's see what I can put on here. And I'm gonna grab a thing of nacho chips from the Happy Planner food sticker book. So that's cute. Then we're going to throw on Wednesday, we are having, it's gonna be awesome, a pepperoni pizza pasta casserole. Try to say that real quick 3 times. So pepperoni pizza pasta casserole. And see how me stamping, I've rubbed this and rubbed that. So pepperoni. Casserole, okay. And nothing better to put down, and I'm getting this from the Agenda 52 food sticker book. There is a nice slice of pepperoni pizza, so we're gonna just grab that, and it's a pretty big one. So see how we can put this on here. Awesome. We will do some barbecue chicken. Brown rice. And green beans. Okay. All right, so that is the meal plan. So only thing I have to do is flip, dip it on the back, and let's get our groceries going. This is a meal plan for the week of 5/28 through June 3rd. This is a completed meal plan for the week of May 28th through June 3rd. And we do have a holiday in here. I set my budget at $140. And on the back, I just put a little bit of washi tape and I made my grocery list. And I'm placing this grocery order today, which is 5/25/2018. Okay, so that is my completed meal plan. I hope you guys are still sticking to your budgets and most importantly, still meal planning. So I hope you have an awesome week next week and you serve your meals up with lots of love as I do. Have a great day. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed watching this meal plan. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ciao, bella.